Module 24, Managing the Enterprise Environment. This section introduces the management of the enterprise environment and discusses more thoroughly some of the subjects that have been addressed earlier. The manager is responsible for the security and maintenance of the database for all databases that have more than one user. A database will very quickly degenerate into a mess if it's not strictly controlled. Typical problems include multiple resources representing the same person, excessive number of layouts, filters and calendars or other codes, the deletion of important data, and the misunderstanding or total ignorance of how the software works. The database manager should be responsible for maintaining the database and should include, but not necessarily limited to, some of the following roles. First of all, ensuring all users are trained in the software, creating and assigning security profiles, maintaining the enterprise breakdown structure, maintaining the organizational breakdown structure, creating project codes, creating user-defined fields, ensuring that the global and resource calendars have been updated and maintained correctly, creating roles and resources, creating global layouts and filters. I also believe that the administrator should create projects and set defaults and also be responsible for importing data. The administrator should not be an IT person but should be an experienced programmer, somebody who's been involved in planning and scheduling projects for a period of time. It's not necessary to have an IT background to administer a P6 database. So in this module, we'll be covering the following subjects. First of all, we'll talk about multi-user display issues and why users who have the same project open may be displaying different data or have different values. We'll look at the enterprise project structure and we'll talk about some of the interesting features of this function. We'll look at project portfolios, the organizational breakdown structure and its role in the database, how to create users, security profiles and their relationship to the organizational breakdown structure, project codes, filtering, grouping and sorting projects in the projects window, project durations in the project window. We'll have a look at why some data fields are grey and cannot be edited, the summarizing projects function. This is very important that you understand how this operates, otherwise some of the data you'll be viewing in the projects window may be incorrect, job services and what functions that performs, and the tracking window.